Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Deshmukh. Today's topic is a non-access modifier in Java and today's date is 15 September 22. Now I firstly discuss in the non-access modifier in Java. The non-access modifier in Java keyword is present in Java using can be the changes to character, variable, method, class, limited scope in Java programming and reaches into the modifier. The modifier into divided into two types. First is the access modifier and second is the non-access modifier. The access modifier in Java helps reach into scope of a variable, method, character, public, private, protected and default in access modifier in Java. The secondly discussing the non-access modifier. The non-access modifier is provided information to characters in the classes, methods, variables and JVM in the series of a non-access modifier present in the Java. Then the types of a non-access modifier: static, final, abstraction, synchronization, volatile and transient. Firstly discuss in the static modifier in Java. The static keywords is that's a entire of applications available outside a particular instance of a classes. The means of static methods of attributed and parts of a classes is not object. The memory allocations offered to such of a methods and times and class loading is use of a static modifier make up programmings and more efficient by the savings and memory of a static exist of the crop across in the classes instance and without creating in the objects. Then is calls. Then discuss in the secondly abstraction class. The abstraction modifiers and then secondly discuss in the final modifiers in the final keywords is indicated into specified into class into the extend into method cannot be override into the method. Then it is the final keywords is GFG class is extend the GFG and class and code is workings final production producing in the output. But after using the final keywords is final GFG class is the code is produced error implementation of the same. Then secondly discussing the abstraction class. Abstraction modifier. The abstraction keyword is using in the keywords is declare the classes and particularly the implementations mean the object cannot be the created indirectly from the classes and any subclasses is need to the early and implement of all the methods and abstract classes. It should be need to the abstract classes is abstractions and keywords cannot be used in the static, final, private, protected, private in keywords because in the present in the overridings and we need to the overridings methods is the cases of abstract classes. Then discuss in the synchronized method. The synchronized keywords is present in the block of code and existed of a multiplying threads in code in very importance in some critical operations The synchronized methods is above the codes should be the about in value and threads is increasing 1000 times in the and this means is waiting from the thread 1 thread 2 and finish it sometime into it many into the dependings into the upon system. The secondly discuss in the secondly discuss in a volatiles modifiers. The volatiles modifiers is keywords is used to the make classes, traits, saves, means variable, declares and volatiles and that can be the modifier is multiple threads is same without any issue and the volatiles keywords is applications of variables and volatiles keywords is reduce changes and memory instance of values and volatiles variables is always read to the main memory and not for the local threads and each and help improve the performance. This is the some discussion of a non-access modifier in Java.